As the final assignment, we're going to synthesize absolutely everything that we've done in the course. We're going to connect the dots and bring it all together. So each one of the modules so far has been a piece of your final presentation, so you will bring that information forward in the presentation. So this is where you're going to demonstrate and actually provide a presentation that integrates theory, systems thinking, data analysis, evidence-based practice, and discerning the best evidence-based practice, and looking at a population-based issue. So this is bringing those foundational components together in this particular presentation, and also it is really designed to help you in your practice if you would like to present it to a group in your organization to start assimilating some of these key concepts of population health as you move forward. So there are a set of systems or processes that we're going to go through, and you've already selected your health issue based on the analysis of the community health assessment, what's congruent with your area of practice. You're going to look at that area of practice, that health issue, in the context of a population health model that you've already done, and some models that you may want to use is the Freedom model or the County Health Rankings model, and really delineate where that health issue falls, so to speak, or where the action falls in that continuum for the models. You're also going to use the theory that you've identified and integrate that into your presentation with an overview of that particular theory. And you're going to you're geared to an audience of stakeholders that you decide for your presentation, and you're going to integrate those educational principles that we touched on and really honestly dove into in module number 4, where you were really bringing everything together. So you're bringing those effective education techniques into the presentation. So you're putting everything into action. We're doing quite a bit of active learning through this presentation. And you're also going to examine and analyze the data that correlates with this particular issue, and you may be pulling data from the community health assessment, or you may be gaining data from a resource of your choice. And then you're going to actually apply evidence-based practice, and this is where you're going to discern the best evidence to address this particular health issue based on that community health assessment, your area of practice. So the nuance is that just because something worked in one particular area doesn't mean it's going to work in another, and you have to apply your wisdom when we go back to our informatics model, where we're moving beyond just data or information. We're getting into knowledge and applying that wisdom at this point to that data. So we're applying that model as we're doing this assignment as well. And then you're going to build your presentation for your particular audience. So please do a voiceover PowerPoint or a video recording of your presentation, and you will upload that into the assignment link. So the rubric outlines the specific criteria that needs to be included. It's built on a logic model of the who, why, what, that trajectory as far as choices, and looking at bringing it all together in your conclusion and assuring that you're developing those professional presentation skills. And of course, use APA format. Make sure that you're citing your slides on the slides themselves, plus having a list of references in the back of the presentation. So if you have any questions, feel free to ask your instructor, but this is a very exciting time where you're putting absolutely everything together from this course.